So in this course lecture, we are going to see how to set up our Windows machine for the Laravel application development. So let's move to the Laravel website and into the documentation. If you scroll down a bit here, we have the steps to install Laravel. So first, according to the document, we have to first install the PHP and the Composer, which is a PHP dependency manager to run our Laravel application. And we have couple of ways to install PHP. As per the documentation, you can use this PowerShell command to install PHP version 8.4, which is required for the latest Laravel application. But for the Windows development, we have couple of other ways to install PHP, like XAMPP and WAM server. And these are the most popular PHP development environment that you can use to power up your PHP local web development. Now these applications comes up with lots of exciting features like managing your databases, managing multiple PHP versions, and throughout the course project we are going to use WAM server that you can install like any other application that you can install on Windows. And if you want, you can take help from LLM as well, like on how to install WAMP in Windows. It will give you a detailed documentation or steps to set up the web server. It is really a straightforward thing. You have to just download the exe file, then you have to follow some steps to install some CSS redistributable binaries, and after that, once the WAM server is installed, you can start it like any other Windows application. Since I have already installed WAM server on my system, let's quickly verify everything is working properly. If you look at the taskbar, you can see the WAMP icon here. That means the server is running. Currently, we are using PHP 8.4. To verify the PHP version, you can go on to localhost, which is a home page of our WAM server. Under the tools on PHP info, if you click over it, you may find the PHP version which is currently installed on our system. There is another way to check this, which is by opening PowerShell window, and you can type php space -v to get the exactly PHP version that is installed in your system. Perfect, and congratulations to everyone. So our PHP setup is ready. The next important step is installing Composer. Composer is a dependency manager for PHP. It helps us manage libraries and packages required for our Laravel project. In modern PHP development, Composer is mandatory. Every Laravel project depends on it. You can easily install or uninstall packages that is required or not required by your Laravel project. Installing Composer is very straightforward. Just download the exe file from the official Composer website, run the installer and follow the setup steps. If you stuck anywhere, you can always take help from AI tools like ChatGPT, in which you can type how to install Composer. If you stuck anywhere, just raise out your problem and it will help you out. After the installation, you can verify it by opening PowerShell window by typing a command called composer space -v. If you see the version displayed, that means Composer has been installed successfully. Now let's talk about the databases. By default, WAMP includes MySQL with PHPMyAdmin, so technically we can definitely use that. However, in this course, I will be using MySQL with Workbench because it's widely used in the industry and provides a clean graphical interface. Now, what is MySQL Workbench? For those who doesn't know, MySQL Workbench is a graphical interface tool that helps us manage databases visually. Instead of writing raw command all the time, we can create databases, tables, and run queries using a clean interface. You can download MySQL Workbench from the official website, install it, open it, and connect it to your local MySQL server just like any other Windows application. That's it. Very simple setup. Also remember, modern developers use AI tools like ChatGPT to troubleshoot issues faster. If you face any problem, feel free to search or ask AI tools for guidance. And if something still doesn't work, feel free to drop your question into the discussion section.